Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're on a lock journey and noticing that your roots are thinning out from frequent retwisting, this video is for you. I'm going to share why this happens and how you can get thicker, healthier roots while keeping your locks strong. So let's get into it. I get so many questions on every platform about how I keep my hair so healthy and strong. So I got you. One of the biggest reasons for thinning roots is over retwisting. When you constantly manipulate your roots, it weakens the hair at the scalp, making it more prone to thinning over time. If you're retwisting every 2 weeks or more, try spacing it out to every 4 to 6 weeks or even longer if possible. Healthy locks start at the roots. To strengthen them, use lightweight oils like avocado, jojoba, peppermint, rosemary, tea tree. These will help to boost your scalp circulation. Also, massage your scalp 2 to 3 times a week. This increases blood flow and encourages growth. Try aloe vera gel. It's great for hydrating and strengthening the scalp without causing buildup. Thinning roots can also come from dryness. If your scalp is dry, your hair becomes brittle and more likely to break. Use a hydrating mist with rose water, aloe vera, or essential oils to keep your scalp and locks moisturized. Drinking enough water daily is also super important for strong, healthy hair. Also, try to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet. Try juicing. Juicing has literally changed my life, changing my skin and my hair. Another major factor in thinning roots is tension. If your locks are always in tight styles like ponytails, buns, or braids, it puts stress on your roots, causing them to thin over time. Instead of tightly twisting, try palm rolling gently to maintain your locks without excessive pulling. Avoid tight protective styles that pull at the scalp and opt for looser styles that still look good but don't put too much pressure on your roots. I had to learn that the hard way because I love doing tight styles. Lock health isn't just about what you do externally. Your diet plays a huge role too. For thicker, stronger roots, eat plenty of protein like lentils, quinoa, nuts to strengthen your hair. Get enough omega-3s, which is found in flax seeds, walnuts, and avocados to nourish your scalp. Stay hydrated. I can't stress this enough. Drinking enough water daily keeps your hair healthy from the inside out. Green juices, fruits, vegetables, all the good stuff, okay? Buildup from products can clog your hair follicles and weaken your roots. A simple apple cider vinegar rinse once a month can help detox your scalp and keep your roots strong. If your roots are already thinning, you might want to consider interlocking, which is a method that secures the roots for a longer time without frequent twisting, or freeforming, which allows your locks to grow naturally with minimal retwisting. Alright, so to recap, if you want thicker lock roots, retwist less often, strengthen your scalp with oils and massages, keep your locks hydrated, reduce tension from styling, eat a nutrient-rich diet, detox your scalp with ACV rinses, and consider alternative methods like interlocking or freeforming. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more lock care tips. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your biggest struggle with lock maintenance? Let's talk about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, sending you nothing but love, light, healing, peace, joy, abundance, prosperity.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.